Hey guys, so this is sort of a different kind of video this week. I had some questions and DMs on Instagram about what I'm using to shoot photos and kind of like what some of the settings are. So I thought it'd be a good idea to do a little video on here on how to shoot your own quality photos for Instagram. So I guess it's kind of going to be more of like vlog style maybe. So I'm going to show you how I actually take the pictures, edit them, and like what the final product is like. So let me show you the setup for this photo. So I use a Sony A5100 to shoot my photo content, and this is just like a basic tripod from Amazon. And instead of shooting like this, how you do for YouTube and a lot of video, I turn the camera this way. And this is really important for the Instagram crop, because if your photo is like this, you're only going to be able to, oh, I didn't mean to do that, to crop out the two sides here, but you're not going to be able to really crop in. So if it's not like the aspect ratio that you like, you don't have much area for cropping. But shooting this way, you can crop it in a lot more and it'll still fit well on Instagram. So the next thing that you want to do is enable the smart remote. So I hit menu, application list, and then smart remote control. And that's how you're able to connect it to your phone. And you can see the camera is listed right here. So I'm just going to select it and connect to the device. Okay, there we go. So now you can see, I can see in my phone exactly what I can see in the camera. Another tip is you want to go in the menu again, and under quality, you want to make sure RAW and JPEG are selected. So you can see here that I have RAW and JPEG selected. I don't know if you can see that really good, but RAW and JPEG are selected there, and that's going to be the best image quality for editing. You really want to have RAW images to edit because it just looks better. It's like I guess a bigger file size. I don't really know, but they just look better when they're RAW and not JPEG. So I can see like exactly where I'm going to be sitting and everything. So I'm going to go get like set and then show you how this goes. Okay, so now I can tap to focus, and obviously like I look really dark. So I can also adjust the settings. So I'm gonna cancel that focus adjustment. And I'm shooting in manual, which also will help your pictures look better. So I'm going to adjust the ISO. You don't want to go over 640 with the ISO, so I'm going to bring it up to 500. I'm also going to adjust the shutter speed, and bringing that down will make the image brighter. We don't want it too overexposed, but obviously you want to be able to see me, and I'm shooting into a window, so it's not like ideal, but like I think that's good. Now let's focus it on me. Okay, so you tap my face for the focus. Now here's where you set the self timer. So once I press this button, I'll have 10 seconds to kind of maneuver myself how I want before the picture is taken. So I'm going to take a few shots. Okay, so once you're done, you can just hit this little play button here and review the images. So I like that one. I think that one looks good. That one's alright. Not a fan of that one. Those are from the other day. Okay. So I got two that I like, which I think is enough. And I'm going to change and then shoot one more outfit. I use Adobe Lightroom to edit my photos. I start by importing the images. You only want to import the raw files. You can delete the JPEG copy of all of your images because you won't need them. Then we crop. I choose the 1:1 crop so the images are perfectly sized for Instagram. And you can also use the auto straighten if the pictures look a little bit crooked. After cropping, I apply a preset because presets make editing a million times faster and easier. I've been using this Bright and Airy preset by America Evans, and I just really like the way it looks, so that's been my go-to. I can put a link down below if you're interested in trying this preset out for yourself. The white balance almost always needs adjusting after applying the preset, so I take the little dropper and put it on an area of the photo that is white to adjust that. I needed to adjust the highlights and whites on this image because the light from the window is so super bright, and I did that with the sliders. However, I didn't need to do that for my second photo because I wasn't shooting into the light, so those edits were much faster. And then I like to add a little grain and bump up the noise reduction a bit, and that is it. I export the photos at 100% quality to make sure that they look nice and crisp. So yeah, that's it. That's the entire process. Let me know if this video was helpful and if you'd like to see more videos focused on content creation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. There's a new video every single Tuesday and Friday, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when there is a new video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.